Hey everyone, and welcome to my video. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of mobile payments and exploring the origins of Vipps, a popular payment platform in Norway. What is Vipps? Before we get into who developed it, let's take a quick look at what Vipps actually is. Vipps is a mobile payment app that allows users to easily send and receive money from each other using their smartphones. It's a convenient and secure way to make payments, whether you're splitting a bill with friends, paying for groceries, or donating to charity. The development of Vipps. So, who brought Vipps to life? Vipps was actually developed as a collaboration between several major Norwegian banks, including DNB, SpareBank 1, and Nordea. These banks saw the potential for a mobile payment platform that could streamline financial transactions and make everyday payments easier for everyone. The launch of Vipps. Vipps was officially launched in 2015, and it quickly gained popularity among Norwegians. Today, it's one of the most widely used payment platforms in the country, with millions of users. The success of Vipps. There are a few key factors that have contributed to the success of Vipps. First, it's incredibly easy to use. The app is simple and intuitive, and it only takes a few minutes to set up an account. Second, Vipps is very secure. It uses strong encryption to protect user data and transactions. Finally, Vipps has a wide range of features that make it a versatile payment platform. You can use it to send and receive money, pay bills, shop online, and even donate to charity. So, there you have it. Vipps is a mobile payment app developed by a consortium of Norwegian banks. It's a convenient, secure, and versatile platform that has become a staple in the lives of many Norwegians. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time.